of a new video. Basically what I'm going to be doing is a Barcelona career mode. Yeah, I'm thinking in Barcelona there needs to be major changes, you know. They used to be the dominating side of Spain, now they're just not very good at all, to be honest. And I don't know why, you know. They've just gotten very poor over the years, and yeah, so I'm gonna put Celtic. Where's Man City? What? Right, never mind. Let's just put PSV in. We've got an easy group, right? Good. Anyways, so I was thinking we need to make changes, you know. So, I mean, we can't, you know, Barcelona used to dominate, their football was brilliant, everything. So, this needs to change, and we need to change it. Oh, it's just a hurry up. Right guys, so we're just going to advance to invites, just go with this one. Right, first of all, the honest, never mind, 170 million, remember, yeah, first scout has arrived, introducing myself, and divisions, so they want Champions Cup to win the Copa del Rey and win the Liga. So they want us to win the treble. Sign 3 players of potential over 75 to your youth squad, increase their overall by at least 10 points. Sign 3 players in your youth academy, assigned to the midfielder. Wow. So that's a lot. They literally want me to replace Iniesta and stuff, but anyways, we're gonna just get into the team straight away. Right, so yes, add. Yeah, these are the players that I want to get rid of, guys. They're the other players that I don't want to Barcelona anymore, and I'm gonna actually put an offer in for someone who I want to see at Barcelona. It's Paula de Bala. Let's go 40 mil. Don't want to go away over the top because, you know, Paula de Bala, he's expensive. I think they'll want like 90 million for him or something, which is reasonable. So let's see. Right, you know what we're gonna do? Oh, we can't do that. Right, you know what? Let's just oh, for fuck's sake, what are we doing? Right. "4-1 victory. Paula de Bala, they've rejected it. They say it's too low. Let's go with something like 58 mil. I think they're going to reject this. This is where they'll counter it now. Right, so wow. Do 1-1. Unacceptable, they want 93 mil. See? I'll give them 75. Hopefully we can get rid of Suarez because he is shit. Seriously, Suarez is absolutely terrible, guys. Right, players that I want to train up is Rafinha. No, you're not getting the easy dribble course. Rafinha can get hard. Suarez will give him hard too. And Gomez. Medium. No, medium, fuck that. Gomez can get hard. And we'll keep the other two for the youth team. We need to bring in youth players. Rafinha failed his, so yeah. Wait, what? Ah, okay. Right, I'm just gonna sim through these really quickly. We don't really care about this, to be honest. Yeah, so what, we get beat. Right. The upcoming match. These videos aren't going to be really professional because I'm not, you know, oh, they've accepted 75. Yeah, because I'm not going to Elgato or nothing. I'm just trying to start off, you know what I mean? So they aren't going to be very, very professional, to be fair. But yeah, I've transferred offer for Gerard Piqué. What I'm going to do is reject that offer, and I'm going to see if I can swap Piqué for Benici. Swapping Piqué for Benici would be immense. That would be awesome. I didn't even mean to add that drill. But anyways, so let's go ahead and look to see search a transfer market. So I think Dybala is heading to Barcelona. I think he just needs to confirm the contract. And we'll just go and offer Piqué. See what they do. I think they want a couple of tens of millions. I don't know. I mean, the teams in this game aren't so greedy. I don't know why Juventus want Gerard Piqué, because they've got Benici, Barzagli and Chiellini. I mean, what would Piqué make a difference? So guys, I wasn't really caring about that competition. So, player injured. Salos or something. Right. All we can find in Italy, transfer offer for Jeremy Matthew. I don't even give a fuck how much is they're offering. Just go. And I know it's sad to say. They've accepted it, okay? There we go. Hopefully we can sign him up. And the balance is erect. Someone hurry up and take Suarez, please. He is no longer needed. Literally, Suarez in this game sucks, man. He's so bad, literally. He's actually the worst player, I think. Right, so what we're gonna do is play the bar. Suarez can be in the subs for a sale. If nobody buys him, that is. Somebody will probably buy him though. I'm wanting to get rid of him. The reason I want to swap Piqué for Benici is because Piqué isn't the best. I'm gonna be honest. Let's see if we get any players up our rating. No, but Rafinha's close, so we'll just keep doing this. And then when the season starts, we're gonna actually go ahead and try to, you know, right, so I've just gave them 75 million for him, so they can pay 75 million for Suarez. Right, player sold, and Benitez accepted his contract offer, so we've just swapped Benitez for Piqué. Benitez for Piqué, any day of the week, guys. Now I'm gonna add a couple of players into this training session before we get to use. Dybala, I'm just gonna give him chance creation, and we will also give Dybala dribbling. Let's go ball control and dribbling. And he got a B in both of them. That's good. That's really good. Transfer offer for Alex Vidal. See you later. I know, guys, I'm actually so bad, but I'm serious, man. We just can't do this, you know. In fact, you know what we need to do, guys? We need to buy a right back. Nah, you can't have him, mate. Sorry. Right, we need a right back. So we were thinking Kyle Walker. Nah, fuck that. We can't have Walker because he's like, I don't know. But we can't have that Walker because he's old. I know Alexandro is a left back, but what would the harm be in playing him in the right back position? Let's just go 20 mil. He's only on 115k a week, so we'll be able to get him. We can just transfer the wages into money. In fact, Suarez might go. I wouldn't swap Suarez for Sandro though. They want to, yeah, so they're going to pay 75 million for Suarez, so that's good. Let's get Suarez to fuck. No. Sergio Busquets ain't going nowhere, he is fucking. I mean, in real life he's not very good, but on the game, well, I don't know. He's alright, I mean, people say he's bad, but you know, he's alright. Right, so 29 million for Sandro. 7 days remaining. Let's get these boys trained up. Dybala got a C. I don't see how Rafinha isn't going anywhere. It's weird. So weird. Hurry up, Sandro. Javier Mascherano, goodbye. I don't even care how much people are paying for these players, I just want them out of the team. Right, so there we go, we have gotten paid for Suarez, 69 million we got. And Alessandro's offer has been accepted. Let's give him 150k a week. Motivate. I was hoping we get Alexandro before. So he's been sold and Alexandro will be fit for the game. That is awesome. Let's give the bar quick little exercise. Well, the bar, Gomez, Suarez, a quick exercise. Right guys, so this is going to be my first team. I'm going to have Neymar on the left, Dybala on striker, Messi right wing, Iniesta centre mid, CDM Boateng, Busquets. Other centre mid, we're going to have Rakitic. Left back is going to be Jordi Alba. Centre backs Umtiti and Benitez, and the right back Alexandro, and the goalkeeper Ter Stegen. Now on the bench, is going to be Alcacer, I think, Gomez, Rafinha, Suarez, Roberto Dingy, and Kelly Sen, I'm sure. So, yeah. Right guys, so these are the transfers that we have made. So Suarez went to Juventus for 75 million. Benicio joined for PK, it's a swap deal. Dybala came for 75 mil. Alexandro cost us 29 million. Mascherano left for 12.5. And last but not least, Vidal left for 3.6 million. So, and also, wait, I'm sure there's a Suarez up the top. Did I mention Suarez? Yes, I did. So, I think this team's going to make Barcelona better. We're just going to have to wait and see. So, yeah. Guys, going on to a game now, the first game of the season, versus Sevilla. It is the Cup, I'm sure, the Spanish League Winners' Cup, I'm sure, something like that. But yeah, this is a team, a first team, so let's do this.
You can never rule out a team, the weaker team here against the stronger one, especially on this kind of occasion. The whole country watching, big crowd. I wonder if he'll get a shock.
Wholesale changes for Barcelona. Marc-Andre ter Stegen starts in goal.
Alessandro pressing that Vitolo. That's brilliant, that tackle. Lionel Messi now running up that wing. Perfect, keep going Messi. Messi isn't going to stop. Messi's going to keep going. Just cut that one in. Unlucky.
Plays with Steven Nzonzi in the centre of the pitch. In attack, Wissam Ben Yedder starts making his debut for the club. Franco Vasquez.
Solid defending now. Boateng to Neymar. Neymar getting by his opponent. Looking for the cross. He's crossed it in. That was unlucky.
Well, when you're a forward and you come into a new club, you know from your own experience, Alan, you want to make a good start. Here's his chance. It's his start.
That's a free kick, the referee.
Very early on. We're very early in this game, aren't we? And the yellow card out straight away.
Ben Yedder, he's a beast in this game. Benicio, to Alexandro. What's this going? That's good. Dybala, Iniesta, Jordi Alba. Sandro, Rakitic, Dybala, Iniesta, Neymar. Neymar with a skill move. Oh, trying to play that down low. That was unlucky.
approach play looked very encouraging. Mariano. Ibora.
Beautiful tackle there. Neymar.
Good position. They've worked this attack
The ball has
very
been
well.
bullied off the ball.
Quite a dangerous position
We
now.
need to work on the ball strength, guys.
We'll see how the
Sandro,
team shapes up.
Busquets,
They've got a new manager.
the bar,
This is their first
Neymar.
competitive game under him.
Well, a win in his first
Neymar,
game would do him
keep
the
going.
world of good, and he'll want to hit
Neymar's
the
put
ground
the
running here.
cross in, but nobody's got to that one.
And a simple catch as much as anything
Sergio
simple in this
Busquets.
game.
That's brilliant tackle there by
Barcelona on the
Rakitic.
attack.
The bar,
Not a good challenge by the defender.
Neymar.
Neymar. Has come up. Now the-
Oh, Iniesta with the rebound and he's hit it right
Tried his
over
luck,
that bar.
but over the crossbar by a lot.
We're all over Sevilla. Brilliant tackle. Iniesta to Neymar.
Onto the attack now.
Neymar still going. Oh, they've been
Reading
beautiful.
by anticipating the pass. Ben Yedder.
Defence has to do the work.
Made
Benici,
the challenge well.
beautiful.
They've
What
got
a
the ball
tackle.
back, Barcelona. Here's Alexandra. There's the
Trying to get that to
interception.
Neymar.
Well, this is a massive day for this football club, and the manager's been playing a very strange game in his pre-match
Coming
press
forward,
conference,
Sevilla.
suggesting
Brilliant
that his
Benici.
team aren't totally focused on the match.
No, I mean, he
He
knows
hold the
his
ball.
players, Martin,
We
and
win it.
he's seen them at close quarters. I don't know, I just think it's a bit of a gamble on the
Rakitic running to
occasion.
Sarabia.
Ben Yedder. Well, they're in a good position here, looking for an opening with
Oh,
some
no.
good controlled build-up. Ben Yedder. Great stop.
Was a good chance at goal there,
And,
guys.
that's the corner, Sevilla's.
It's very unlucky. It's
The,
out for a goal kick.
attack has fizzled out here.
Guys,
Goal
half
kick.
an hour in. Still 0-0.
And now
You know, Messi. Perfect. The bar ball, Busquets.
There's good progress with this attack.
Iniesta. Neymar.
Nicely played through
Crossing
ball.
that.
They cope
Busquets
with it
couldn't
well
be on the end of
defensively.
that. That was unlucky. Bar,
Cut out by the
Rakitic.
defender.
Iniesta. What a ball to Neymar!
Near the
Nobody
goal,
could get
actually.
to that there. Nobody could get to that. That was beautiful. The architect.
Steven Nzonzi.
I just got a trophy there, guys. Not that I'm trophy hunting or anything. Just thought I'd say.
A lot of defenders between them and the goal, but they still got the ball.
Oh, Jordi Alba. Brilliant. Benici.
Leonardo Bonucci came in with the challenge and the ball broke free. Franco Vasquez. Iniesta.
Iniesta. Absolutely brilliant football here.
Keeper.
Alaba.
It's looking good.
To
this
Iniesta. To Rakitic. Where's Messi?
move. Ivan Rakitic.
Oh.
Promising build-up until that challenge.
Oh, it's giving away a free kick.
Gives away the free
A
kick.
yellow card from
For Barcelona,
Sergio Busquets,
a yellow
guys.
card.
Yeah, I don't
Well,
think
for
you could have any
Busquets,
complaints
sorry.
about that.
Adil Rami.
Rami Nzonzi.
Ibora. Great passage of passing play there. Here's Alexandra.
Lionel Messi.
Lionel Messi.
Perfect.
Iniesta.
Brilliant. There's Neymar.
They gave it straight to him, didn't they?
Benoit Tremoulinas.
We need to bring Alaba into the game. We get him a goal.
And the decision for the added time is 3 minutes.
Quick start his season with a
Not rushing it here.
good
Moving
goal
from one
here.
side to the other. And heads it towards goal. Headed it
That just
well.
went by.
Just
Thank you.
wide.
Well, not far wide at all. Next time maybe he'll bury that.
Ivan Rakitic. Half-time
Right
in the
guys,
first
that
leg
is
of the
half time.
Spanish Super
Pretty
Cup.
boring first
Nothing between
half.
the two sides.
Not gonna lie, pretty boring. 54% possession to Sevilla, 46 for us, 3 shots for us, 2 for Sevilla. They had 1 on target, we had 0. Let's hope for better in the second half.
Second half, first leg. The Super Cup de España in Spain.
Well, the first half didn't
Oh,
quite live up to the...
Messi, that's a free kick.
That will be a free kick.
And there's a
That's a
yellow
yellow card.
Yeah, I don't think there's any choice there from the
for Vitolo. Play this one shot, it is Rakitic.
Just working away to try and
And
find
Iniesta.
opening. Jordi Alba.
Oh, perfect football. Ball's been crossed. Balla couldn't get his head to that. Brilliant tackle by Bonucci. Andres Iniesta been bullied off the ball there
That's a sign of better things to come.
by Carrillo. Back to Rico,
Go
the
back to the
keeper.
goalkeeper here. Can't blame him for that. Get
Alessandro
yourselves down to be prepared for a
Vitolo.
bit of a shock here. Transfer news: Luis Suarez has moved to Juventus.
Vitolo coming in now. This is a chance to score. Did he stepped in?
He's got his shot off.
Oh, shot there.
Rejected out.
That Ter Stegen.
Sevilla
That's
have
a
given
good
the corner.
save. That's a brilliant save. Look at that. What a save, keeper. Well played. It's Neymar.
Excellent
He's lost it.
interception. And shoots.
That's a
Great work from the
perfect
goalkeeper.
save, keeper. Well played. Here's Messi now. Barcelona are on the break, guys.
And the ball's
And
gone back
Messi,
to
what they're
Sevilla.
doing, they're cut it in. And they're messed up.
Iborra.
56 minutes in, 0-0. It's been so boring.
Then he gives it back to him. Makes a challenge
Bah.
here.
Neymar.
Break maybe from Barcelona.
Rakitic.
Rakitic. They're trying hard to get in front.
What was
here.
Rakitic doing there? Wow.
Barcelona get the throw.
Don't know what Ramid is doing there, but okay.
We've had an hour gone here and still 30 minutes left. Well, that looked promising,
Oh, is that-
but he's been stopped.
Okay.
Throwing for Barcelona.
Alba.
Jordi Alba.
Sandro. Messi.
Good through pass.
Oh, they're on
Well, that's
Messi. Lost
broken
the
up
ball
by the
there.
defender before the cross could come in. Franco Vasquez. Steven Nzonzi. Comes in with a tackle. Attacking now.
It's Ben Yedder. Brilliant tackle by
Moving away.
Tite.
Just diverted
Titi.
it away.
Rakitic. Looking for the pass. Who's going for it? Who's wanting it? And there's Dybala. And that's unlucky.
Michael Cro Daly.
Time for a substitution, guys. Rakitic is coming off.
Going to be some activity from the
And
bench for
Rafinha
Barcelona.
is replacing him.
This looks dangerous from Messi.
There's Messi. There's Sandro.
Probing away.
Busquets.
Trying to find room for a shot maybe. Promising
Trying to give
build-up
that to Iniesta there.
until that
Unlucky.
challenge. Mariano. Just a quick check on the clock and there's
It's like a
20 minutes
tackle
to
there.
go.
By Iniesta.
And in he goes with the tackle. Here's a chance to attack.
Milano.
Caught under no
Ter Stegen
challenge
out
by the
that.
goalkeeper. Good reading of the play by the defender. Tremendous understanding from these players.
But here that's Vito, I think. I'm sure that was Vito. Vito. No? Who was it?
It is going to be a change.
Don't know, I can't even read the name. But that was so close to going in. That was a good save by Ter Stegen.
And he's up for the header.
Corner being crossed in.
Well, it's a chance
saved.
to put the team under pressure, but they've just wasted that chance completely. Well, they gave it straight
Lost the
to
ball
him,
there.
didn't they?
Alexandro.
Doing well to keep the ball.
Jockeying the attacker now. Ball's went in. Good save again. Ben Yedder with the header.
It's not just
Ben
been
Yedder
this
with the header.
goalkeeper, but the one at the other end as well. Both been in majestic
Ball's in.
And it's a
Ball
header.
saved. Brilliant.
Super stop by the goalkeeper.
De Messi.
Hung on to the ball
Oh,
as
it's
well.
given away again.
That's good support play from his teammates.
Oh,
Makes
perfect.
the challenge here.
Given away again,
Couldn't
guys.
keep it in play. It's gone
Third
out for
ball.
a throw. Iniesta. Leonardo Bonucci.
Rafinha. Sandro. Rafinha.
Here's
Busquets. The bar.
Dybala.
Rafinha.
They've got a great understanding. this
Iniesta.
team. Just look at the passing.
Busquets.
Just working away to try and find an opening.
Busquets to Iniesta. Field. But here we go.
Coping it well defensively.
I thought that just dropped to the bar there. That was unlucky, guys. Really unlucky. Balls it in. Power the bar.
Goes for goal with his head.
Ooh.
Great work by the
Beat the
goalkeeper.
keeper.
The ball is his and he's made sure he's protected it.
Guys, we've got a viewer in the
5 minutes
stream.
left of the 90.
How are you doing, viewer?
Level.
Oh,
Coquerandeli.
no way.
Benoit Tremoulinas. There's good progress with this
This isn't
attack.
happening.
That passing is top class.
Sevilla are attacking now.
Iborra.
Iniesta getting out there.
Gone for the through pass.
He's giving it straight to Pahala the bar. What will the bar do?
Position. They've worked this attack very well into a quite
Pahala the
dangerous
bar.
position now.
Still running with the bar, guys. Fake shot. Oh, that's unlucky. There was nothing really I could do. There was 2 against 1. We were cornered, and what am I supposed to
Still
do?
chance for something to happen because there's 3
It
added
was unlucky,
minutes.
to be honest.
Iborra. And they're getting the forward well. Sevilla. Franco
So,
Vázquez.
guys, this is the first leg.
The shot's on.
Oh, MTT good block, and it looks like it is 0-0.
No advantage here. The referee stopped it for
so-
offside.
Second leg, hopefully we can see goals. Hopefully we can see goals.
Here's Rafinha. Although
Very unhappy with this play. Don't know. We need to do something the next leg.
Supercup de España. Barcelona 0, Sevilla 0.
Right, come on. So guys, wrapping up the first leg, absolute terrible, shocking. Didn't like the performance. We had chances, didn't take them. I'm gonna praise Barcelona for that because that was good. So we've got this game. This decides it, guys. This decides who wins the Supercopa. Will it be Barca or will it be Sevilla?
No prizes for guessing which team
Right,
is the
guys, it's
favourite.
all kicked off here.
The more successful one coming
This
up
is the
against
decider.
the average one.
It was 0-0 in
Let's go to
aggregate.
Racer. There's
Alexandro, Iniesta, Messi. What's that ball there?
This is the Sevilla lineup for this game.
Messi's won it back.
Starts with Daniel Carrizo in central defence. Iborra starts.
This will be a
in
tough
man of the
game
match last
because
time
it's
out.
at
Wissam
Sevilla's
Ben
ground.
Yedder is the main striker today. Barcelona's lineup here. Marc-Andre ter Stegen starts in goal. Jordi Alba starts with Alexandro.
The ball's it in.
Back and shoots.
Oh, it was an early shot.
Referee points
Early
for a corner.
reflection, early corner. Vito to take. Ben Yedder.
Here comes
Ben
the
Yedder with the
cross.
cross. Ter Stegen out to
Goalkeeper's
that.
ball, quite clearly a wasted cross.
Here's Neymar, ready for a counter-attacking football.
Lionel Messi continues to look.
Neymar to the bar.
Like a superstar.
The bar still with it.
The break is definitely on. Shots on here.
1-0 to Barcelona, guys. Yes.
Start for them.
Power the bar. Absolutely brilliant. Neymar to the bar. Bar.
Approach to this game.
Keeper saves. Couldn't quite keep it out.
Goalkeeper
And it's landed in the back of the net, guys.
Well,
Get
that
this.
wasn't a strong enough touch.
Yeah, he's annoyed with himself, isn't he? Having got a touch
That's
on
what you
it,
want.
feels he should have done better.
That is what you're wanting, guys.
Well, the
That's
score 1-0
what you
in the
guys
match and 1-0 on aggregate. Just lent the ball to his mate and got it back again.
Ball coming in, it's Ben Yedder.
There's some potential in this move.
Dave Ora.
He's shut off now.
Oh, there'll be a shot.
Here's the chance.
Remember,
Shot blocked very quickly.
Sevilla have to score 2 now. So we just have to hold off.
Benoit Tremoulinas. And now the shot. But he's had a go.
Don't buy a ticket, as
One
they
goal
say.
changes the game though,
Fair
so
play
we've got
to
to keep
him for
it.
having a crack.
Ivan Rakitic.
Sandro, Messi, the bar,
Dybala.
the goal scorer, Neymar, Iniesta,
And now Iniesta.
Jordi Alba, Neymar,
Barcelona on the attack.
Busquets,
Sergio
Rakitic,
Busquets.
the
A
bar,
lot of defenders between
Messi.
them and the goal, but they still got the ball.
Little Messi still with it. Try to get in between the cracks here, it was unlucky.
Vasquez.
Sandro versus Vito,
Pablo Sarabia. And they're getting the forward well. Sevilla.
Breachy. Ball's come in!
Oh, it's the
Hit
post.
off the post. That was crazy, guys.
Here's a chance.
And it is an equaliser. It's Ben Yedder.
They've equalised.
Sure, it's Ben Yedder.
Both sides really attacking better than
Poor,
they're
poor defending. Poor defending.
From a neutral point of view, that's really exciting. Level again. Well, this is the team in form, isn't it? They are excellent, these players today, and they've got their reward here.
Poor
Look at
defending.
all of them, they all fancy getting on
Yeah,
sheet.
one goal
They're all
changes the
drifting
game.
Forward.
So now on aggregate, it's 1-1. Sergio Busquets. Jordi Alba. Ivan Rakitic. How frustrating.
Free kick now for Barca. Is that a booking? I think that was a bookable offence. Busquets, Iniesta,
It's Iniesta attacking now.
to Neymar, to the bar.
Dybala. Came in with a challenge.
Silly mistake there.
Vasquez.
It's going to cost us, I think.
Doing well to keep the ball. And that's good support. They cope with it well defensively. Sarabia.
Oh, blocking now.
Flag
See
has gone
Sevilla,
up for
they look
offside
very
tonight.
lethal on the attack. We need to do something about that. Rakitic,
Ivan Rakitic.
Sandro, look at one Messi.
One shot, one
That's
off target
Messi.
for Barcelona.
Yeah, there's been nothing wrong with the finishing. Kept this goalkeeper extremely busy here.
Good distance to the
Oh,
clearance
okay.
then.
Sucks. Sucks.
Ben Yedder. Such energy, such athleticism to keep going wherever his team require him to be.
Yeah, what an attitude and what an engine he's got. I mean, he's one in a million. Well, it's a nice bit of skill, but the defending, well, was woeful.
So the corner to come.
Eto'o to Ben Yedder.
Find an opening. Not panicking.
We are looking crucial on this attack. Neymar, the bar, Messi.
Messi takes it
The
forward.
bar. Back to Messi, unlucky. The back heel was very unlucky. There's Alexandro, Busquets, Iniesta, Alba.
Looking
Through Iniesta with a header. Unlucky boys, unlucky. We might need to commit a
Played down the
professional
wing,
tackle.
keeping the wide attack going.
Iniesta,
Iniesta.
the bar, Messi.
Made the
I know
challenge
Messi
well.
lost that ball there.
Steven Unzonzi. Into the attacking third. Probing away, trying to find room for a shot maybe. Ibora. And there is some backup for him in this position. And shoots! The defenders managed to get in the way there.
Messi.
Dybala.
Oh,
Comes in with a tackle. Benoit Tremoulinas.
one each, guys.
Franco
We will
Vázquez.
go through if we
Ben Yedder.
keep it this score.
Pablo Sarabia. They've got a great understanding, this team. Just look at the passing.
But we need a goal to make
Sergio
sure
Busquets.
this game can't go to penalties, guys.
And the board shows
It mathematically
three
needs to
added
be
minutes.
90 minutes now.
To a forward position goes Iniesta.
Iniesta,
Lovely one-touch
Messi.
football.
Three minutes added on for half time. The bar,
Dybala.
Alba,
Just working away to try and find an opening.
Busquets, Sandro. Oh,
Saw it coming, cut it out. Good work.
duty with the clearance. Half time, guys. One each at half time.
Well, we're into the last period of play here, the second half of the second leg of the Spanish Super Cup, and the referee blows and we're underway.
Yeah, a lot of sparring actually, hasn't it, so far, but no time for that now.
Moving the opposition around with their play, these two players. Got to be.
Oh, Sevilla, 1-0 back in it.
Not quite what he was hoping for.
Well, when he's hit it, I'm sure he
Got
would
the
have
elbow.
thought that was going to bulge in the back of the net. Not quite, though.
Busquets,
Sergio
Rakitic.
Busquets.
the bar,
Dybala.
Rakitic,
Little private game between the
Messi.
two. And the attacking now coming
Lost the
from
ball.
Barcelona. That would be a throw.
Alexandro,
Alexandro.
crossing that.
From the attacker, but he was
Neymar
made
just
too
missed that
easy for
header.
him.
I
Poor
don't know
defending
what
there.
happened there, but his header didn't seem to mend onto the ball.
Gonzalo
It's still 1-1.
Higuain has moved to Juventus.
Well, it went on for a few weeks, a lot of negotiations by the sound of it, but in the end, about £70 million, maybe money well spent.
Well, coming up, of course, on EA Sports, we present the La Liga fixture. Sevilla, they'll be hosting Espanyol.
Yeah, 3 points at stake. It's a big match for both sides.
Ter Stegen.
Decent fist away by the keeper. And now the shot! But he's had a
Oh,
go.
shot from
You know, buy a
range.
ticket, as they say, and fair play to him for having a crack.
Looking for Neymar. Iniesta. The ba- Messi.
It's Messi.
Argentina partnership is great. Unlucky.
Ibora. Benoit Tremoulinas.
To Messi now.
There.
To the bar. He's still going.
Well, this attack has got a bit of menace to it.
Neymar. Rakitic.
Ivan Rakitic.
Busquets. The bar.
Keeps it
Bar
going.
with a long range shot. And that's
They don't
just
give a plunge
a good
to
save
make
by the
save.
keeper.
Corner now, Barcelona.
Playing it short now. Messi. Neymar.
Throw
Fouls
in
out.
here.
triple substitution here, guys. Just because I want to see how the boys play.
What about the next game, Alan?
Well,
Iniesta
Real
off,
Betis,
Gomez
their
on,
next match in La Liga.
Busquets off,
I think this could be pretty easy
Rafinha
for
on,
them.
Lionel Messi,
Rakitic off, Suarez on, not Luis.
Franco Vasquez, Ben Yedder.
Just want to see how they play because they're the future first team. Hopefully we didn't make a terrible mistake there.
Iborra. Probing away, trying to find
There's Sandro,
room for a shot,
bullied
maybe.
off the ball, mate, bullied. Rafinha now,
Here's Rafinha.
Gomez to Messi, to Dybala still going.
Just checking.
That's unlucky,
benches
boys.
to change. It's Sevilla who are going to make it.
To Messi, Messi going right to the line now.
And the cross coming in.
That's a corner
Defender blocks the
kick.
cross. Now we have a corner to come via that
Neymar
deflection.
to take. It's been fired in.
That's safely away.
Neymar.
And the cross comes in now.
It's an interception.
Strongly there.
Suarez getting
making
out to
sure the
that.
cross didn't get into the danger area.
Ricci needs to get back, so... Oh, that's perfect.
Referee's attempt to
Lost the
pass
ball
it
though.
out. Good forward
This is a
play from them.
terrible... I've slid in. It's a good...
Goalkeeper
Well
goes
done to
down,
Ter Stegen there.
comes away with the ball, well played.
Yeah, it was brave goalkeeping. He didn't shirk the challenge, did he?
Iborra. Patience is the name of the game at the
Sevilla
moment.
attacking, it's Mariano.
Great passage of passing play there.
MTT
It's a poor cross.
clearing
Not
that.
well hit at
Benici.
all. Dealt with by
Well done, Messi.
the defending
And
side.
he's lost it again.
Gone for the through pass.
Sevilla attacking again, it's
Very
out.
good defending.
It's a goal kick.
And the player had
Goal
nowhere
kick.
to go.
Mariano puts the ball out. Jordi Alba. Looking for Neymar.
So we're coming down now towards the last
Unlucky.
15 minutes.
And the ball's coming in.
Trying to switch on the attacking power and keeper's ball.
Brilliant. Ter Stegen. To Messi.
And the take wasn't very convincing, was it?
The ball was went along the ground. And that's a brilliant tackle.
Corner given.
It's
after
1-1
that
still.
tackle.
78 minutes in.
And now a cross from Samir Nasri.
Another corner won by
Well, the
Sevilla.
coach would want to stop the supply into the middle. Here comes the cross. Goes for it
Ter
with a
Stegen
fist.
punches it out.
And he's used his head. And it's a header. Good stop by the goalkeeper.
Neymar.
Counting down towards the end of the 90 minutes. 9 minutes left.
Neymar going. He keeps on going.
Well, this attack
Right to the line.
has been a menace to it. Tries the through pass.
Messi!
He's reached it and turned it aside. Letting the shot.
Oh, that's Gomez.
Well,
That was
doing the
unlucky.
marking properly at the
Really
corner
good
here.
play.
It looks
Really
like
good
it anyway.
football. Amazing keeper reflexes. Sevilla are frustrated now.
Good clearance.
But here's Suarez of a range.
Here's the shot.
And it's out again. For a corner kick. Messi going short. Nobody's making a move.
Now
Nobody's
wide, they
running
were in a
outside the
good
box.
position until that
Once again.
defender acted very
It's
promptly
Rami.
and decisively. Benoit Tremoulinas. They spread it out
Samuel
wide.
Nasri, the
Chance to get
ex-Manchester
some width
City
into this attack.
midfielder.
Very good passes. And it's a shot now.
Oh, Sevilla have won themselves a corner. It's the 89th minute. Brilliant save by Ter Stegen. Can Barcelona hold on? Ter Stegen's got it. Stay on everybody to
Still
move.
to come of added time.
There's Neymar. Got an end of this. To Jordi Alba.
Looking good this move.
Oh, trying to give that
Well,
to
they've
Pala
been,
de Bar there.
thwarted here. That's a sign of better things to come. Steven Unzonzi.
MTT with the clearance. The ball's still coming forward though.
Franco Vasquez.
Sevilla on the attack.
It's a quick break.
Sevilla do it. Sevilla are 2-1 up.
Oh, there it is! It's the goal that they
Guys, that's shocking. I cannot believe that. I literally cannot believe that. Sevilla 2-1 up.
Final whistle goes. The game is over.
Dearie me. I think I just switched off for a minute.
Super Cup de España. Sevilla 2,
They were able to get in.
Barcelona 1.
So guys, I'll end the episode here. If you did like it, please like, comment, and rate. No. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully we can get a bit of success. Peace.